Hey everyone, the Hotwav Tab R10 Pro's huge display and sturdy construction make it instantly noticeable. It looks like a traditional robust tablet at first glance, but the key question is whether it can actually survive demanding use, or if its tough exterior is just a design decision. Let's examine the specifics and discover the features of this tablet. The Hotwav Tab R10 Pro is a large gadget, measuring 252 by 168.5 by 15.5 millimeters and weighs about 880 grams. As a result, it feels substantial in the hand. Its sturdy build and broad protecting edges are reminiscent of tough electronics. It's crucial to remember that, in spite of its tough appearance, the tablet lacks any formal certifications for dust or water resistance. This implies that even while the structure seems sturdy, it is best to keep it out of harsh environments like high drops or submersion in water. The gadget has a 10.1-inch screen with 1280 by 800 pixel resolution. Even if it's not the best resolution available, it's adequate for doing daily work, viewing videos, and browsing the web. With an IPS panel that ensures ideal viewing angles and a brightness of up to 450 nits, the tablet may be used outside in bright light. Screen is a good option for its price range because of its 1,500 to 1 contrast ratio. Unisoc T606 CPU powers Hotwav Tab R10 Pro. This combination enables seamless performance in everyday activities, including media consumption, online surfing, and light gaming. The tablet can run simple games without experiencing any significant problems thanks to the Mali G57 GPU. With 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage, that can be increased to 1 terabyte with a micro SD card, the tablet has more than enough room for documents, media, and programs. The camera configuration consists of a 5 megapixels front camera and a 13 megapixels back camera with an f2.2 aperture. Although not its best feature, the camera's performance is sufficient for everyday use. The Hotwav Tab R10 Pro's battery life is among its most remarkable features. With its large 10,800 mAh battery, the tablet has exceptional endurance and can last for several days when used moderately. Because of this, it's a fantastic option for people who require a dependable gadget for extended workdays or travel without having to worry about charging all the time. The tablet's operating system is Android 14. Additionally, it supports GPS, Bluetooth 5.1, dual-band Wi-Fi, and 4G, providing robust connectivity options for a range of use cases. A well-rounded low-cost tablet with good performance for the price is the Hotwav Tab R10 Pro. It is appropriate for students, occasional users, and those seeking a reasonably priced yet dependable gadget because it has a sizable battery, a respectable display, and a strong processor. Its total value proposition makes it a desirable option for users who prefer functionality and battery life above top-tier specifications, even though it lacks high-end cameras and premium build materials. The Hotwav Tab R10 Pro is a good option if you're looking for a low-cost tablet that does the job well. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.